If tan A is root 2 minus 1, then prove that tan A by 1 plus tan square A is root 2 by 4. So here tan A, if we'll substitute the values, see tan A is root 2 minus 1. So tan A by 1 plus tan square A. So if we'll substitute the values, tan A is root 2 minus 1 by 1 plus root 2 minus 1 whole square. So numerator as it is 1 plus root 2 minus 1, clearly it is in the form of a minus b whole square. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here a is root 2, b is 1, root 2 1. So here root 2 minus 1 by 1 plus 2, square and root will get cancelled, plus 1 minus 2 root 2. So the next step will be, I'll write here, root 2 minus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 1, which is 4, minus 2 root 2. So root 2 minus 1, if we'll take 2 common, 2 minus root 2. Now I'll rationalize here into 2 plus root 2 by 2 plus root 2. So here the next step will be, if we'll multiply, root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2, root 2 into root 2 is 2, next 1, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, minus 1 into root 2 is minus root 2, 1 root 2, by 2, it is in the form of a minus b, a plus b. So a square minus b square. So here it is 2 and here root 2. In the numerator, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. 2 root 2 minus root 2 is 1 root 2 by 2 into 2 square is 4 minus root 2 whole square is 2. So root 2 by 2 into 4 minus 2 is 2. Therefore it is root 2 by 2 into 2, which is nothing but 4. So just substitute the values and simplify, we'll get the answer.